If AB is equal to 100, BC is equal to 200 and CA is equal to 300, we have to find the value of A plus B plus C. Do you want to solve it? Pause the video and let me know your answer in the comment section. So if we multiply AB times BC and then divide it by CA, then we have 100 times 200 upon 300. Now here we can cancel this A and this A and this C and this C. So we get B square is equal to 200 upon 3. Same if we multiply AB into CA and divide it by ABC, then we have 100 times 300 upon 200. Cancel this B and this B and this C and this C. So A square is equal to 0 gets cancelled. 2 times 50 is 100 and 50 times 3 is 150. So A square is equal to 150. Again, if we multiply BC and CA and divide it by AB, then we can cancel this A and this A and this B and this B. BC times CA will be 200 times 300 and AB is 100. So C square is equal to 0 and 0 gets cancelled. So C square is equal to 600. So we have A square is equal to 150. B square is equal to 200 upon 3 and C square is equal to 600. Now there is an algebraic expression for A plus B plus C whole square. We can expand it as A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 times AB plus BC plus CA, or A plus B plus C whole square. Now substitute the values of A square, B square and C square. A square is 150, B square is 200 upon 3 plus C square is 600 plus 2, and again put the values of AB, BC and CA. AB is 100, BC is 200 and CA is 300. Again A plus B plus C whole square is equal to 150 plus 200 upon 3 plus 600 plus 2 times 600. 100 plus 200 plus 300 is 600, or A plus B plus C whole square is equal to 150 plus 200 upon 3 plus 600 plus 2 times 6 is 1200. Now we can add the whole numbers here. So A plus B plus C whole square, add 150 plus 600 is 750 plus 1200 is 1950 plus 200 upon 3. Now we can add, if we put the denominator as 1, then these two are fractions. So A plus B plus C whole square, LCM is 3. 3 times 1950 is 5850 plus 200, or A plus B plus C whole square is equal to 6050 upon 3. Now to remove the square, we square root, because square root means it is raised to the power of 1 upon 2. So when we square it, the exponent is multiplied to 2, then it is removed. So we square root both the sides. So A plus B plus C is equal to plus minus 6050 upon 3, or we can also write it as plus minus 6050 under square root upon square root of 3. Now we can factorize square root of 6050. We can write it as 11 square times 5 square times 2 plus minus upon square root of 3, or 55 times square root of 2 upon square root of 3 plus minus. Now the denominator has a radical, so we need to rationalize it. So multiply and divide it by square root of 3. So it is 55 times square root of 6 upon square root of 3 square plus minus, or plus minus 55 times square root of 6 upon 3. So a plus b plus c has two values, positive 55 times square root of 6 upon 3 and negative 55 times square root of 6 upon 3. How did you like this solution? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.